Alright, so we just got here to this bike trail and we're gonna bike around for a little bit. Nice. Hello world. I'm gonna talk to you while I clean my room a little bit because I am running very late. Let me tell you what happened yesterday. Yesterday, I cleaned the RV, cleaned my room, and ran a few errands. But after that, what that was all leading up to was a wedding. Me and Cameron and Cameron's mom, we all went to a wedding for a family friend of theirs, and it was great. We had a great time. Cameron had a good time catching up with a friend, but on the way back, the car broke down. So we were dealing with that situation for a few hours, and I didn't get to go home until about 2 a.m. and I overslept, and now Cameron and I are gonna go to church together for the first time. So welcome to the vlog. I am the one, the way your son. There she is. There she is! Ah!
Oh, look at your shirt.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
My shirt came in. Oh. I mentioned that I was cleaning the camper. I don't know if you guys know this, but we bought a camper, what was it, November?
I don't know.
October of 2017. With all that being said, we're going camping this weekend, so I'm gonna get a little bit of that on the vlog for you guys. All right, what's up guys? Are you not seeing me? No, well, okay, let me tell you what happened. We were stuck on the side of the highway. Didn't get home till like 2 a.m. I overslept. Hey Peyton, it's your debut on the vlog.
Bro, you're so fake. Were you vlogging all morning?
No,
you're so fake.
First of all, I just want to apologize to this guy.
So fake.
No, I told him what happened. We were stuck on the side of the highway. Didn't get home till like 2 a.m.
Are you serious?
You got the light and everything.
Oh,
there we go.
Wow, that light.
On the real though, check this guy out.
MvkyyJ.
MvkyyJ. I'll put a link in the description.
I wanna start away. I wanna light speed.
Alright, bye guys. Later, dog. That was a horrible high five. That's Serge, by the way. So we just left church 10 minutes ago, but we're on the way to Schalatsky's / Cinnabon right now. Definitely going for the Cinnabon half of the store. I literally had no idea that there was a Cinnabon here in Mansfield. The other day I tweeted, Mansfield would be 10 times better if we had a Cinnabon. And literally 2 people within a minute of me tweeting that, they said, dude, there's one at Schalatsky's. What? I don't go to Schalatsky's. I was shook, man. My whole life has changed now.
Can I get the pepperoni pizza and a classic cinnamon roll?
We just got home. About to smack down on this Schalatsky's. We just had our Schalatsky's and we are parting ways once again. I just need to get a cooler, then I'll be on my way. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay. Okay. Have fun at work.
Fun camping.
Alright, we are on the way to camp. We are camping in Grand Prairie today. I've never been to this camp before, but it's gonna be a good time. I forgot to tell you guys that our youth group is actually on a mission trip right now, and I wasn't able to go, but I have some friends there who wanted to say hello, and I'm gonna put them in the vlog right now.
Alright, so the buses just left and we're about to load up in the vans, and we're gonna go across the border.
And I'm only speaking Spanish, guys. That's it.
Matt, tell us up to Peter. Maybe he'll put you in his vlog.
Oh, Peter, put us in your vlog, yeah.
They're gonna be down in Mexico for the whole week, doing some kingdom work down there, and it's gonna be a great time. Super happy for them. I'll catch up with you guys at the camp. All right, so we made it here. I'm sorry about this wind noise, but we finally made it here. It is actually not in, what'd I say? I said Grand Prairie. It's in Grapevine. So, yeah, looks pretty cool so far. Alrighty, thank you.
You are welcome. Have fun.
Have a good day. Thank you. I was talking to that lady in the store, and she was asking me about my patches on the jacket that I'm wearing right now. And I told her about it. I told her that wherever I go, like whether it be a new campsite or like out of state or something like that, that I always try to go to just like a local store or the camp store, maybe even a surf shop. Just trying to look for a patch that I can put on my jacket. I started this jacket about a year ago, and I've been filling it up with patches from different places that I've been to. Oh, sorry about the wind. And it's a sad thing that they don't have patches, but it's okay. Just getting back to the RV. This is what we got going on, but my phone is about to die, so I'm just gonna let it charge for a while.
12 o'clock midnight.
What's up, guys? I've had a little bit of a failure. I slept the whole day away. So, we're gonna continue this camping adventure tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
5. Okay, so it's day 2 of the camping trip, and I'm wearing the same thing because it is cold and this is warm. Hi, Mia. We just finished eating breakfast, and I guess I'll give you guys a little tour of the RV. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Peter Contreras Productions presents The Fun Finder. So right now I'm gonna go ride around the campground. Woo! Hello. That was pretty cool, eh? By no means do I consider myself really a skater. I just like to ride my longboard around, you know what I'm saying, bro? I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do today. It's way colder than we expected. We might rent a canoe, ride around the lake, but other than that, we're just straight chilling, G. Check out this camper with a patio. That's freaking tight. Alright, so I'm just now getting back to the camper, and I'm probably just gonna chill out, put the camera down for a while.
Why do you think he was so worried about me getting bigger?
Later that same evening.
Alright, so we just got here to this bike trail, and we're gonna bike around for a little bit. Nice. That's enough for the footage, I guess. Just broke the tripod here. There's no clip to hold. It's a great time. All right, so we just finished that biking trail. You say it was like nearly 5 miles?
Yeah.
About 5 or 6 miles. For me, it was a little bit of a nightmare, but for them, it was all right. my bike, it would not switch gears. My tripod broke. Like, I couldn't even go uphill at all. I had to run everything up the hill. That's how my gears were treating me today, but it's all right. We had a good time.
Meanwhile.
All right, so we're out here canoeing this side, and I don't know how far we went, but we went pretty dang far. We're just now getting back, and we're gonna let some other people use this canoe.
Don't get my feet in the video. Crap! What? The sandal got stuck in the mud.
Quite an experience, man, but I am very tired. Very, very tired. Alright, so winding down the day, having some dinner, and I didn't think of what I was going to say before I said. That pretty much wraps up our camping trip. We're going to be leaving tomorrow, but all the fun happened today. So, thank you guys for watching, stay blessed, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.